This is a 2011 Honda Odyssey LX. It has 6 cylinders and 3.5 liters. You can view the auto check report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. Around here, and it does have an aftermarket towing package. Here's your storage in the back, and I'm going to show you these seats. Can fold all the way flat into this area here, making it nice if you have to haul anything that's longer. Gives you the ability for a lot more storage options, and they're easy to put back in place. Okay. We'll come around so you can see the tires and rims are aluminum rims. Or steel rims, I'm sorry. Steel. And then there's the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is a gray fabric. You have the middle bucket seats. And then just, there's your access to the back row. So this van seats 7. Coming up front, here is the passenger seat. And this screen is a backup camera, as well as being able to pair your phone, the Bluetooth capabilities. There's your climate control. There are no caution or warning lights on. There's your cruise control, and then you have power locks and power windows and traction control. If you're in the market for a 7-passenger van, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Honda Odyssey out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you will drive away with a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.